What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for today's episode guys, we will be doing a comparison of the latest NBA Hoops products na available na sa Cards 360. So right now available na yung NBA Hoops regular edition blaster box. And on top of this, available na din guys yung winter edition. Okay? And then on top of those, available na din yung ating retail box of NBA Hoops. And then cello packs, no, available na din 2023, 2024, and available din of course yung hobby packs, no. So right now kompleto na yung ating lineup of 2023, 2024 NBA Hoops. So again, just check out our Lazada, Shopee, and official eShop at cards360.store para you'll be able to avail one. So for this episode guys, we will be doing a side-by-side comparison of all the products para you'll be able to have an idea of the possible products na makukuha natin for NBA Hoops. Before we go further, again, let me remind everyone na malapit na yung raffle natin for the Christmas holiday raffle. So for those who have purchased in the past weeks and days, don't forget to leave a review with a photo or a video para you'll be able to be qualified, no, sa ating raffle. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel para you'll be able to get latest notifications. And of course, we're also giving out free NBA cards. We'll also be uploading the video for the box break second episode kung anong mga teams yung na-pick natin for the free NBA cards. Alright, so let's do a side-by-side comparison. So simulan natin. Of course, we have the 2023-2024 NBA Hoops Cello Pack. So let's unbox one para magkaroon tayo ng comparison ng mga possible cards na makukuha natin. So again, Wemby year to. Pero in the cover, since the Fanatics exclusive si Wemby, so yung nasa cover is yung Thompson twins, Amen and Azar. And then, even Brandon Miller and Scoot Henderson, guys, no? Hindi sila, exclusive sila sa Fanatic, so hindi tayo makakakuha ng autographs nila dito. Alright, so let's rip one. Itong cello pack of NBA Hoops 2023-2024. And then, after that, i-compare natin of all the products na rinip natin, what is the best lineup, no, na panalo, no? Kung ano yung pwede nating makuha. So, let's start. So, Kai Jones, Russell Westbrook, OG Anunoby, nakaka-trade lang sa New York Knicks, Michael Porter Jr. from the defending champions, Jaden Ivey, Osman Jeng rather. Check natin yung mga inserts. Meron mga inserts dito guys, to. May nakabaliktad pero I doubt kung autograph yan. Let's check. Danny Green, Kyle Lowry. We have a tribute of Stephen Curry. So, sleeves natin yan. Kuha lang tayo ng sleeves, guys. By the way, before I continue, let me thank everyone, no, who have supported and purchased nitong nakaraang December, guys. Again, thank you very much from the Cards 360 team. For a few days, nag-sold out kami, guys, because maraming nag-avail. Thank you very much, guys, no, for all your support. And don't worry, for this year, we'll be sharing to you, of course, mga exclusive products. Just follow our Facebook, Instagram, and meron na rin kaming Viber channel para you'll be able to be notified, no, sa mga latest offerings, promos ni Cards 360. So we have a rookie, Hunter Tyson, okay, Chris Paul from the Phoenix Suns, Julian Phillips, rookie again, and then we have another tribute of Jason Tatum. All right, and then arriving now, nice card. Ito yata yung hologram, guys, no? Tama ba? Check natin itong sa pack. I think kasama siya dun sa makukuha natin na hologram. Ayan. Feel free to pause na lang, no, if you would like to check further. May mga halo kasi ito, arriving now, holo. Ito yata yon. Okay? So, sleeve natin yan since one of the top rookies, no? And again, cover siya ng NBA Hoops. Okay? Amen Thompson. So far, so good, no? Maganda yung mga nakukuha natin sa cello pack ng NBA Hoops. Okay? Next is, nakabaliktad siya. Mga tayo sa kabilang side, guys. Next is DeAndre Jordan rather. Ayan. Na hollow din, no? Ito yata yung exclusive na teal edition, no? For cello packs. So, let's put the sleeve. Exclusive yata to, no? I'm not so sure, pero feel free to comment na lang. I think exclusive siya sa cello packs ni NBA Hoops. We have Dynamos of SGA. Nice one. And then, we have the Rookie of the Month for the East, si Triple J, Jaime Gacus Jr. Nice one. Talagang one of the top rookies na wala ding nag-akala na ganun siya kalakas. Ito, rising star din right now, Tyrese Maxey. KCP rather. Okay. Dame Lillard, Cam Johnson, Josh Hart, Marcus Smart, Jordan Poole, another Triple J, Jaren Jackson Jr., Kyle Kuzma, and then we have Jarvis Walker. We have a tribute of LeBron. Nice card, no? Sleeves natin yan. Kumpleto, guys, no? Itong cello packs, no? Ni NBA Hoops. Pero yun nga lang, di na sila naglalagay ng slam, no? Sayang, tinigil nila yung slam. We have another rookie, Marcus Sasser, and Gary Payton II. So, eto guys, yung nakuha natin, no? For cello packs of NBA Hoops. Punta naman tayo sa Winter Edition. So, let's open one para you'll be able to check, no? Yung mga pwede nating makuha. Ang maganda dito, guys, sa Winter Edition ni NBA Hoops, pwede kang makakuha ng autograph or memorabilia card, no? Meron silang, but that's on average, by the way. Yung mga sweater edition cards, no? Yung mga makakapal, you'll be able to get one dito sa Blaster Edition. So, ito medyo madami-dami siya, no? 90 cards siya, yung parang typical na blaster box. Okay? So, let's try to open 2 packs para hindi naman masyadong mahaba yung video natin. Okay? So, let's try to get 2 packs. Ayan. Para pareho silang 30 cards, no? Ni cello packs. So, mamaya i-compare natin, no, kung sino yung mas malupit, no, of all the lineup ni NBA Hoops. Alright. Kita na agad, guys, so sweaters. Ayan. Kapal niya, no? So, let's check muna yung mga iba. So, we have Tobias Harris. Ang maganda rin for this particular variant, guys, of Winter Edition, I think yung snow niya, lahat ng cards may snow na. From the past years kasi, kung di ako nagkakamali, iilang cards lang yung may snow effect. Pero this particular variant for the year 2023-2024, lahat ng cards ng NBA Hoops sa Winter Edition, meron na siyang snow effect. We have Cade Cunningham from the struggling Detroit Pistons. Deshaun Tate. Okay. DeAndre Ayton. Patrick Williams. Okoro. Caleb Martin. Bogdan, na nasa trading block daw. Kung sa siya mapunta, malamang ma-trade yan before the trade deadline. Trey Murphy III. And then we have another NBA Hoops for rookie card of Azar Thompson. So, sleeve natin yan, being one of the top rookies. So, tabi ka muna dyan, Steph. Ito muna yung magkambal. We have Draymond Green. Derek Lively the second. We have Luka. Okay, tribute. Nice. So, again, balance talaga siya, guys, no? Of superstars and rookie cards. Hindi ka mabibitin sa NBA Hoops talaga, no? So, again, available na to, guys, sa ating mga shops, Lazada, Shopee, and eShop Card360.store. Nice one. Pure Players, Giannis, no? Giannis Antetokounmpo na block ni Wemby nung last game nila. Okay, sleeves natin yan. And then we have the sweater card of Sam Whitmore, no? Na rookie. Okay? Nice one, no? So, sweater siya. I think hindi naman to worn, guys, no? Pero, again, it's a nice card to have, no? Exclusive to winter edition. So, kukuha lang ako, guys, ng makapal na sleeves since hindi siya kakasya dito sa ating Cards 360, no? Na premium sleeves. So, let me get a sleeve for thick cards, no? Para magkasya. Kasi medyo makapal siya, guys, no? I think kailangan mo ng 130 point dito, no? Para maprotektahan mo siya. And very sensitive din kasi yung mga sides niyan since makapal nga yung cards, no? So, ayan siya, guys, no? Very nice, no? So, tanggalin muna natin tong mga to. Lagay natin sa gitna. Ayan. So, again, first pack pa lang tayo, no? Ni Winter Edition. Let's move on to the second pack, no? Of the Winter Edition. So, again, if you would like to get one, don't forget to check, no? Our shops. Available na siya, guys, right now. Next is RJ Barrett. Nakaka-trade lang sa Toronto Raptors with Emmanuel Quickley. Ayan. Tony Walker, Jay Crowder, Jaylen Brown, Jalen Johnson, Luke Kennard, Lauri Markkanen, Bones Hyland. We have Nick Smith Jr., Jonathan Kuminga na nagpapa-asthma trade na. Hindi daw siya magiging full potential kay Steve Kerr na headline kanina. Let's see, no? Kung ma-trade siya before the trade deadline. We have a rookie, James Nagy from the Charlotte Hornets. Hindi siya sikat. And then we have Devin Vassell, Keyonte George, rookie card from the Utah Jazz. We have arriving now, no, of Keyonte George again from the Utah Jazz, and the last card for this pack, Tyler Hendricks, no, rookie card from the Jazz again. Ayan. So moving on, punta naman tayo sa NBA Hoops Retail Box, no. So let's open two cards or two packs rather para makita natin yung comparison. So far, kung tatanungin nyo ako dito sa Cello Pack versus Winter Edition, siguro I'll put my vote kay Winter Edition. Mas swak siya, na mas panalo yung mga nakuha nating cards, no? Pero it's a close fight, no, between the two variants ni NBA Hoops. Punta naman tayo kay Retail Box kung kamusta at kung may laban siya sa mga cards na nakuha natin from the previous two boxes. Ayan, so let me get two packs. Pero siyempre, pag nakakuha tayo ng autograph dito, guys, that's it, no? So let me open two packs. Tabi muna natin to, guys. Ayan. So again, ito yung itsura niya, guys, nung retail pack, no? 8 cards lang siya per pack, para siyang hobby packs na 8 cards lang per pack. Pero yun nga, ang difference dito, pwede tayong makakuha ng number 1 on the list is, tabi natin para makita nyo further. So, yung retail exclusive Pulse Parallel, meron dito. And then, meron din tayo makukuha ditong exclusive autographs, no? And blue and red Explosion Parallels, no? So, yun yung mga pwede nating makuha exclusively, no, to retail box. Okay? So, let's open the first pack. Alright. So, for the first card, Rising Star right now, Tyrese Haliburton, Jalen Williams, Evan Mobley, rookie card of Nick Smith Jr. from the Charlotte Hornets, Jonathan Kuminga again, Evan Fournier, PJ Washington III, the junior rather, PJ Washington Jr., and a purple of Cade Cunningham. Nice card. So, papasikat itong si retail pack, no? So, let's sleeve si Cade. Pero yun nga lang, medyo struggling, no, yung kanyang NBA team na Detroit Pistons right now. Okay? That's the first pack for retail. Let's open the second pack. So again, 8 cards lang siya per pack, no? For retail box. All right. So we have Kevin Love, Trae Young, Dyson Daniels. We have another rookie, Cam Whitmore, na yun nga, may sweater na nakuha tayo kanina doon sa winter edition. We have NBA Hoops tribute, no, of Amen Thompson. So sleeve natin yan, being one of the top rookies, no? Cover athlete ni NBA Hoops. Last 3 cards for retail. We have Peyton Pritchard, Mike Conley, and we have Dynamos of the returning Ja Morant. So ayan siya. So, for me, ang pinakamagandang nakuha natin dito is, ayan siya, si Cade Cunningham na purple. Moving on to the last packs na open natin. Mag-hobby naman tayo, guys. So, let's open 2 packs of hobby para i-side-by-side comparison talaga natin, no? Cello pack, winter edition, retail box, and of course, last na is itong hobby box, no? Hobby box, pero hobby pack yung open natin, dalawa, para tabla silang 16 cards ni retail edition. So, let's see, no? So far, lamang sa akin si winter edition doon sa mga nakuha natin. So, first in the hobby is nice card, NBA Hoops of Stephen Curry, high voltage, no? Numbered ba siya? Hindi naman siya numbered. So, sleeve natin to. Alright. So, dito muna siya sa side. Ayan. Moving on, let's continue. We have Paolo Banchero. Nakaka-triple-double lang kanina, guys, no? Beating the defending champions, no? Despite having 8 players lang. Panalo sila kanina. So, diretso to sa PC natin. Next is Rudy Gobert, Miles Turner, Kenyon Martin Jr., Davion Mitchell na nasa trading block right now. Nabakit ako sa news kanina. Tribute of Trae Young, and rookie card of, sino ba to? Jalen Wilson from the Brooklyn Nets. So, moving on to the last pack of our unboxing for today, guys. So, let's see. Makakuha tayo dito ng Wemby or autograph. Tapos ang laban for sure. Alright. We got next of Julian Strawther. Okay. Sleeves natin yan. From the Denver Nuggets na tinalo kanina ng Orlando Magic. Moving on, we have Spencer Dinwiddie, Brook Lopez, Tim Hardaway Jr., Markelle Fultz, another rookie card of Julian Strawther, Steph Curry, and for the last card, Brandon Miller. Ayan. So ayan guys, no, nakompleto na natin yung 4 na variants of NBA Hoops. So again, please check out our official Lazada, Shopee, and eShop at Card360.store. Available na sila, guys. For my final vote of the 4 na inopen natin, mukhang bibigay ko siya kay Winter Edition. Mukhang siya yung pinaka-malupit. But let me know, no? Just feel free to comment down below kung ano yung mas bet nyo, no, of the 4 cards. And again, as always guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel para you'll be able to be notified sa mga upcoming videos natin. So that's all for us, everyone. Again, thank you very much from Charge360 team. Thank you very much, everyone. That's all for me. Stay safe and God bless. That's all for now. Peace.